How to fix the issue of camera not working in Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open settings. Use the shortcut key Windows plus I to open settings. Then from the left hand side menu go to system. Scroll down to go to troubleshoot. Then after click on other troubleshoots. Here in other options simply search for camera and click on run. Once you do, shortly a window will appear providing you the instruction to run the troubleshoot for camera in your device. Simply follow those steps. After that, even after following the steps provided by your device to troubleshoot camera, if your problem is not solved, you simply need to follow the second step. For that, right-click on Windows icon on your taskbar. From the menu, go to Device Manager. Now here in Device Manager, you simply need to update your camera drivers. Once Device Manager open, double-click on Camera. Click on your device, go to driver from its property and click on the option of update. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.